My name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and today is Saturday, December 12th, 2020. I know that this is not a normal day that you see me on here, but I wanted to let you know that I have an awesome new book coming out today. So if you follow me on social media, you know that today is day 12 of the 12 Days of Christmas promotion for 2020, and I've been promised you something big, been promising it for weeks, and so now I can finally let you know that I have a brand new ebook that came out today. All right, so you'll remember back in the early days of COVID-19 when I was live every day, we called it Bead Therapy. So of course the book is gonna be called Bead Therapy 2020. The year of COVID-19, the year of bead therapy. So this ebook, which you can find on my website at Off the Beaded Path, beadstore.com, is an 81-page instant download ebook that is going to cover all the projects we did from March 17th all the way to April 17th of 2020. So to give you an idea of what's in the book, here is the table of content so that you can see there. The first half of the book is free content. You're getting it completely for free. The second half of the book, which starts on April the 6th all the way to the 17th, are mainly all about bead embroidery. If you'll remember, we did a 2-week thing on bead embroidery. So it's all about bead embroidery, and it's step-by-step instructions on a lot of the projects that we showed during that time that I didn't necessarily have time to talk about or actually time to write patterns for and things like that. And I've had lots of requests for it over this past year. So one of the cool things about the book, if you get the download, one of the really cool things that I tried to do is I tried to go through, and for every project that's in the book, I tried to go through and I put the date and the link for that video on YouTube, so that if you missed that video or you want to see actual video of that project, you can go back to that specific video and be able to see it. So it's a really, really, really good book. It's step-by-step full color instructions on the patterns that are in the book. So I want to thank Beth Schaefer for giving me the idea of putting all of these into one place so that we all could find them so easily. And I want to thank all of you who hang out, Lord help me, who hung out with me every day during the COVID-19 pandemic, the early days of it, who we talked, we laughed, we joked, we cried, we talked about a lot of food, y'all. Man, we talked about a lot of food, but we had a really good time. You guys taught me a lot. I learned so much from you, and I made lots of new friends who I will value forever. So guys, thank you so much. Make sure that you head over to Off the Beaded Path, beadstore.com, and grab your instant download ebook copy of the Bead Therapy book. I do not have print copies of this one. This is one that I printed off and on my computer, and I took just staples and just had it spiral bound with a backing on it. That cost me like $4.50 to do that. So if that's something that you want to do, that's always an option if you want a print copy. So guys, thank you so much, and I hope that you have a fabulous rest of your day.